my own conversation.
That's what you do. We'll just say Mum mumbles. Yeah, she's a mumbler. All right, that's fine. You do you.
I don't think I mumble.
She does. She mumbles a lot. She'll probably do it today. All right, guys. So what we're going to share today is how to wear amazing black and white outfits and injecting a pop of colour. We've got 6 outfits for you. They are absolutely beautiful. I'm really excited to get started.
That's thrown me right off. I don't know what I'm doing. I know I'm adding a pop of colour right now. Faye, Lauren, Amos Designs, and Motto Fashion, mother and daughter team. Yeah, sometimes we know what we're doing. Mostly we know what we're doing. I don't know about that. It's getting close to Christmas, that's why we don't know.
That's okay.
Yeah, but I'm just going to add that pop of colour right now. We're on social platforms at 1 every weekday and during the holiday. No, we're off during the holidays. But in between the holidays, we're on.
Yeah.
Next week.
Yep. Done. Good. Got that out. All right. So we've got 2 new sets for you guys today, and we're going to be styling them up. But let's come up close. Just to talk about the differences in the stripe. One's thick, one's thin. And my one here, the thick stripe is like an ivory background and yours is more of a white.
Okay. There is a difference. If you want pure white, go for mine. If you want ivory, go for Lauren's look. I call her Loz for short, that's why I said that.
Have you ever sort of called me that for a while?
I know, yeah, when you were a little kid I used to call you that.
Okay, yeah.
Just to call you in a hurry.
Yeah.
Loz was too long. Yeah.
Okay, so your pop of colour is fuchsia.
My pop of colour is fuchsia and I love it, the elegance of it. Adding a belt, I think, really gives it. Look, you don't have to, because have a look at Lauren's. It still looks.
Well, because you've got the black waist, I think it kind of gives you the illusion of a belt. That's
right. So you don't need a belt, but I kind of like it because when I do this, I feel like it's going over the tum as well. You know, so it's like detracting from anything that I don't want to show. Yeah, 100%. That's what I love about belts. I reckon they're a great detractor, by the way.
Oh, they totally are.
Say that, Mahara.
Detractor.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So and add jewellery because you know it always works.
It makes you look better.
It just makes you look. Yeah, it just makes
more
you
stylish, more put together.
And you know, there's this thing about looking like you're rich. That's what you do.
Everyone wants to look rich.
Doesn't have to be real gold. Nah, don't worry.
Just get the cheap stuff.
Yeah, the cheap stuff.
And chunky. Yeah.
Get it from Mono.
No,
don't get it too cheap. Ours is gold plated, so it's still pretty good.
I love that.
Yeah. So you know, we love it. The trench is the best coat if you want to look elevated and slim and lean and tall and just classic, classy, all those things.
Yeah, really cute. Really cute.
And I love the black and the white with fuchsia. I didn't say that enough. There we go.
I do too, actually.
It's a great outfit, great for wedding worthy. Even mother of the bride, we keep talking about that because I think there's some weddings coming. They usually come in summer, don't they?
Yeah.
Yeah. I say that because my kids all got married in summer. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, you probably want to choose someone much nicer. Yeah. All right, guys, so a bit of detail on the styles. Now, the cami's designed to be a little bit shorter than our usual length. It's really, really good for tucking in, but it still gives you that coverage, and it's nice and loose. The straps are also adjustable, so you can easily do a front tuck or not. Like, you can do it like that too. I need to define where my waist is. You can see how much better it looks tucked in, right? So there's that, and as soon as I do that, you can do that, but you can also do a bit of a side tuck. If you want, you do what works. Now the skirt is cut on the bias, so you get this really beautiful kind of slinky, mold to you type vibe. And there's something about bias cut pieces, I'm not sure if you guys have worn them, they just feel really beautiful on, and I think the key is they fit you very easily because they kind of drape and fall in a really gorgeous way that you can't get any other way than cutting on the bias. So this is how that looks. Now, I love it with flats like this. I think this is a cool look, but I'm going to add my pop of colour being the marigold. But I think when I do this, I feel like I need a heel. So give me a moment. I'm going to slide these onto my feet without doing them up, which is probably going to end in disaster.
The skirt is lined, by the way. It has a really nice stretchy slip under.
And then I'll tuck that in. This to me just makes it a lot more dressy. And this kind of look that I'm wearing right now, so imagine the heels are properly done, is actually very on trend, even going into autumn and winter. It's the big blazer, the slinky kind of sexy looking skirt, and just something, it's not even about a top. You can have a t-shirt, you can have a cami, a skivvy, you know, if it's cold. It doesn't actually matter. It's all about your super silky longish skirt and then your sort of man style boyfriend blazer.
It looks fantastic. That is one
really
of my
good,
favourite looks, I've got to say.
And I do love the marigold with the black and white. I think that's a really nice pairing. It's quite unexpected.
It's a beautiful combo, and I think most people probably don't know how to wear that colour. And it's so far, it's gone with practically everything.
Everything.
Practically everything. It's that good.
Yeah.
My turn?
Yep, your turn.
Okay, so I'm popping black and white with cobalt because there's no better combo. Look at this beautiful, rich colour combination together like this. It looks sensational. I've decided, I'm holding these up because they're quite long on me, so I'm a shorty. They're a great full-length pant, by the way, ladies, and in this fabric called the Euro, it's just so beautiful and floppy and cool to wear. I'm trying to pull it up a little bit, but it won't go up any higher because I'm short. That's how it goes. But I am wearing a 10 and I am a size 8, so they should be that big, otherwise I won't fit anyone else, will they? Anyway, I'm into leaving my belt tail down nowadays. So just just like this is actually beautifully and classic, and you can actually wear it half tucked in. Like I said, I've worn it.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
All tucked in.
I love that.
Easily wear it out. Maybe I'll show you out.
Especially if you just want to do the front, little tuck in the front.
Yeah, just a little tuck in the front like that.
Yeah, that's nice too.
See,
It looks
that's
really
cute.
fresh.
It looks fresh and summery.
It does.
And, I had the label out, I'm sorry. Yeah, so it does look rather good. But what I'm going to do is just add a beautiful, just plain white siska over my shoulders, just to keep me looking elevated. It can look corporate, but it's not. You know, this is depending on your hairstyle, maybe the rest of what you put together with it. It is actually quite a nice classic look, but also very summery and still pretty cool because you've got your arms out. So I think wearing the blazer has really come a long way when you just pop it on your shoulder like that, and if it gets too hot, you just take it off because you're cool enough. And you've got a bra on, haven't you? I noticed the straps sit perfectly under these straps.
I'll show you guys when I do my next outfit.
So also, you can always do a strapless bra. Actually, there's a bit of chatter the other day about what's a good strapless bra. Do you have one?
Yeah, the one I think is best, but I still don't seem to wear it. It's called, the brand is Wacoal, Wacoal. The thing I didn't like about it is it doesn't come with padded boob bits.
Well, it's probably good for big boobs.
Well, it's just, but you don't want to have nipple peeping through.
I know what you mean. Yeah,
but it's really comfortable. Give it a try. I actually put those little, those little padded
things? The circle things?
Yeah, I put them in there.
Gel,
but it's not. Well, it's not gel, but
okay,
that sort
like
of thing. Yeah, just to so you don't want to have nipples on show. It's like
no, not a good look. I mean,
not a good look when you're wearing
nothing
nothing
to do that. The other thing you could also do is wear, like, if you invest in a bustier. I actually have invested in a bustier, and sometimes when I really want a bit of a lift, I do wear it, and it has boning on it, and I think that's by far the best strapless look of all, but it's not
it looks amazing,
all the time, but it looks sensational.
Yeah.
It's up to you, you might want to wear it all the time, depends on the comfort factor, doesn't it? Anyway, apart from that, this is a pretty cool look.
Yeah, that's gorgeous. I think that's really, really beautiful. Very classic, but still bold, still fierce, and still like, right.
I wasn't planning to do this. I love your outfit, by the way, but I'll just show you this before.
That's nice too.
I mean,
it's more quirky.
It's a bit more quirky, so if you really like your colour mix, what a great top to put with different colour combinations, and this is just something to show that it does actually work, and I think that looks pretty good.
I love that.
Rather than just a plain black and white cami.
Well, and
this is quite classic.
Do we want to go out one step further, and you've got a green trench as your next piece?
Yeah, I might
just
show
put
you
that
as
on
well.
and see. Yeah, because I think that would look really cool.
Yeah, because really, black and white is one of those things that really goes with absolutely anything.
It does.
And it goes with anything to suit your personality. I mean, I'm doing bold colours. You can also do soft colours. I mean, even warm colours, cool colours. They're not an issue. I think if you just do your colours, it looks amazing.
That's cool too.
That looks really fantastic
really cool.
as well.
It's that's very like Instagram.
You know what it is, and not only that, it's very French. Don't you think? It's
very on Now that you've said that, I actually want it.
Yeah,
it's very Emily in Paris.
It is very Emily in Paris, but I feel like I need more necklaces around the neck. Oh dear, missing out. Yeah, missing out. But you would. Maybe I'll do this.
Would you do this black bag? I just feel like it could do something else that's not the colour.
I actually love the fact that you're suggesting that, Lauren. That looks really
really cool. Oh my god, I'm actually so obsessed with this outfit. I'm getting it today.
And I would easily do, now that I'm going this far, I'd easily do, look at the green over that. How amazing does that look? Does that look like a different level?
Oh my god, so good.
Yeah. So you can do any colour. And I wonder if you'd mix the stripes.
I don't mind it, but I prefer the matching.
Well,
I'll show you guys up close.
being quirky, I like that match. You know,
it is cute.
Yeah, it's
a bit eclectic,
cute.
yeah.
So you do you know, your personality, you don't have to copy what we like, but if you've got a bit of a quirky personality, yeah, why wouldn't you do that?
Yeah.
Yeah?
And especially I think the yellow almost lends to the quirkiness as well. It's a bit vintage. It's a bit vintage.
It is a bit vintage, but if you're classic, this is such a classic look.
That's so good.
This is such a classic look. But you know, it depends on your personality of the day. And you know how I often say, depends on how you feel that day on what you're going to wear. Well, this is proof.
Yeah, it is. Okay, guys, I wanted to let you all know I'm actually wearing a 12 in the linen blazer. There was no 10s on our rack. I'm assuming they're sold out unless they're in our stores, which you'll see when you get online. So when I don't get it right, it did look big, but what I did before I put it on is I cuffed the sleeves twice. That makes such a difference. So this is it. And look, the oversized look is in, so don't be afraid to size up if you need to. What's important is you're going to show off your waistline. So I've left the striped cami on, I've got our paper bag jeans, I've added this belt just for a bit of fun, and I think the fact that I've actually got my waist on show gives me a body, because you can't tell I've got baggy pants on. Now I'm going to show you the difference. If I did this, suddenly I look like a box. I'll come up closer because there's so many lights in here. See? Box. Body. See the difference? Got to get into that front tucking, ladies. And this jean's really good too, because if you are a bit conscious of your belly, you actually don't see it because they're not tight. Like, they're really loose, and these jeans I am wearing the size 8. So I am actually a 10, but because they're so big, you can kind of fit into whatever size. So play around with that.
Was that your last outfit?
No, another one. Oh, that's pretty.
Before I actually get into my outfit, I thought I'd just show you this, because putting it on, I thought, wow, you know what? This is actually saying something as well. A stripe with a black and white print. So you can mix any black and white. I'm going to go out there as a designer and say, you can go out there, I'm going to go out there and say that any black and white print goes together.
Yeah, they do.
Can you agree?
They do. Yeah, I'm sure there's an exception, but
there's probably some crazy exception which I haven't seen. Haven't seen it, but this looks amazing. Anyway, I will. Oh, I was actually. Well, I wasn't finished getting dressed. Never mind. I'll go with what I've got on.
What?
I have to.
Oh, you're still going. Right. Okay, that's right.
No. Doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter.
But look, this looks fantastic with a pop of colour. And look at that, 2 different black and white items. I think this looks pretty cool.
That looks very, it's very French. Something about the black, the white and the green is super French.
What I was going to do was do the the jumpsuit look under it, but I think I'll...
okay.
But I think I'll stick to what I've got on. I think the striped top is really working for me.
Okay.
But this is a beautiful classic look too. But I like this. Okay.
It's classic with a hint of edge, and I feel like that's really me. Actually.
Absolutely.
I love a classic look with a bit of spice.
Yeah, the pants are a bit big on me again because they're an 8, 9 or 10. But the top is it a good size? Not a 10.
Yeah, the top's great.
But it is on the short side. You know, you can easily layer a cami over a cami if you want more length, which is fantastic if you like. We like doing this because we think it's trendy at the moment. I think I've got my look. I think this is sensational.
So nice.
Yeah.
So nice.
I'll grab the bag as well.
Yeah, cute. Yeah. I like that. I really like that. I've got another outfit to show if you did want to slip on that top.
Actually, maybe I will. Yeah. Okay. I'll just do this. Hang on.
Yeah. She just wants to have a little swan. Just like
I've got a swan because when I've got my coat on, I feel like a swan.
Feel like a swan? Yeah, it's pretty cute. That's fun.
It's fun.
It's really fun.
Yeah. You know what I want to do? I want to do this.
Oh,
how did that go?
That was good. Alright guys, so now I wanted to inject a little bit more of a fun colour, and I really love our Australian made basics. We actually haven't talked about them much, but they're really good. So this is, I don't know what the colour is called officially, but it's like a melon colour. It also comes with a matching cami, which is pretty cute too. But I wanted to do it with this stripe. I think it's a bit fun, but I've done heels because I feel like in this skirt I like it with a heel. Not that I wear it like that in my day-to-day life, but this show is just to tick every box, so why not? And I grabbed one of our Euro trenches. Does that look good?
Oh, that looks amazing. Who would think that what you've got on there is just...
This trench is also a 12, so it's on the big side, but not really.
Wow, it's sensational together. I wouldn't have thought that this looks brilliant with that.
It's nice, right? I'd even probably...
It looks great. Love it. Oh, yeah. Looks amazing.
And what do you think of yours?
Well, I was going to say, I just want to show you this top, 'cause I don't know if you've seen it. It is actually quite loose and quite A-line, but I'm going to just tuck it all in because
the whole thing,
that look doesn't... Oh, no, actually, maybe like that isn't too bad. I've got a bit of a bulge now. I'm going to spread that out. So I've put too much in the one spot. There we go. And I'm going to wear your yellow jacket.
Oh, yeah, cute. It's a 12, but you'll...
No, I'll just do it
make it work.
Yeah, I'll make it work. Well, I've shown you all the bright colours. I just want to show you now just a different look. So a strong black and white still does look good with a colour like this.
Yeah, I like
It's
that.
great. And then I do the blue bag.
Blue bag?
Yeah. And I could probably even do a belt, but I'm really going on and on, aren't I? Yeah, I think like this. Yeah, the jacket's a bit big. It is 12 and I'm only an 8, you know. Yeah. That looks pretty good. Do you like that?
I do. I did like it. Hope you guys enjoyed today. Hope we've given you lots of outfit ideas. The purpose of today was actually, when in doubt, black and white and a pop of colour.
Yeah. Easy.
So
easy formula. We like to give away a formula every now and again. That was it. Okay, so we're going to see you tomorrow.
Okay, guys.
Okay, bye.